So let's talk about our Factory 5 project here. This is a kit car. It's all fiberglass. Came to us with seams on it that we had to grind off, and then we take the body and we block it heavy with 80 grit. We do a majority of our mud work to begin with over the gel coat that's on it already. And today we're going to put some polyester on it. That'll give us a good base layer to block and get ready for a 2K urethane primer before color. Once we get that done, we'll go ahead and block this whole car with, probably start with 120, something like that. And then we'll give a good urethane warm primer over the top of that. And that will be our base layer for our paint. And we'll prep that with 600 and it'll be good to go. These cars, we like to do poly on them because, as you can see, there's a lot of the mold work, that gets underneath the gel coat. We want to hold this down with a poly. Polyester is a very hard product. It doesn't shrink. It doesn't do anything crazy later on when the sun hits it or anything. And with these glass cars, they like to maneuver, and when they heat up, they expand, contract, things like that. So the poly just kind of helps that hold everything down. So let's get some color on it. Today we're going to use Featherfield G2. That's what we're going to put on the Daytona Coupe build. We're going to use one of these Hog Daddies, an Air Gunza. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. See that? If you want to get something straight, look at that. 3.5. Hog Daddy. That is not what it's called, but that is what we call it. Let's go. We have successfully got the coupe in Featherfield. Slick sand. Came out very nice. Blocking it real coarse to begin with is the key for sure. And then every time you prime something, you're like, man, I can't wait to block that. Let's see how it blocks. Then you throw a block on it real quick and you're like, you know what, never mind. Wait and do that later. But it does sand very well. Started putting the power window kit in it, aligning all that stuff. That is an extremely complex kit, but it all works very well. So, next step, next video, we'll block it, prime it. We'll have all the windows fit. We'll have it in a 2K urethane primer. Then after that is color. Super cool car. Stay tuned.